making Chinese calligraphy fun and easy for foreigners.
It's fantastic.
On TripAdvisor, people think the Taipei Calligraphy Workshop is fun, easy, and even relaxing.
Sure, I really recommend this class because for foreigners, they cannot easily to find this kind of class.
On top of bridging between cultures, we reassociate Chinese calligraphy with mindfulness. For example, the yoga-ligraphy. Business owners need mindful calligraphy to distress and clarify the mind.
今天这个课程它非常的棒，把我们古代的东西它结合变成一个现代的推广，需要这种模式来去做，它才会推展得开来，不然的话，年轻人很难去做接受。
Simply watching the brush moving against the paper is almost therapeutic. Now, please take a deep breath and enjoy.